As you can see, I've made $10 today, the second day that we started this journey of making $500 before the end of July 2025. So let me quickly show you the profit I've made today and that of yesterday. So as you can see here, the profit level has increased to $246.9693, while for today alone, the 16th of July, I've made $10 profit, while yesterday I was able to make only $2, and the day is not over yet. Okay, so crypto trading strategy that I'm using is still the high profit no liquidation setting on Utrading app, which I've previously showed you. So if you not watched the video, you could kindly go back to my previous videos, the one I posted 2 days ago. So watch the two previous videos on high profit no liquidation setting, so you have a deep understanding of how this strategy works. Okay, so what I'll see going to show you, today is not over yet, and we've made up to $10 today. So our target still remains to make $500 with $100 account before the end of this month. Okay, so if you've not joined me in this journey, kindly join me. Right, subsequently we might be showing live video, live demonstration on how the journey unfolds. So here are the running coins that I'm currently trading. Okay, so if you look at here, you'll see running stop record, while here are the running coins. Okay, so some already on profit, while we're still hoping to close more coins on profit before 12 midnight today. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Give the video a thumbs up and also share so that more people could benefit from this video. Thank you. So tomorrow we'll show updates again on progress so far. So kindly follow, and you could also start your own targets. I started with $100 and my target is $500. So if you have $1,000, you can have a target of $5,000. Then if you have maybe $50, you could have a target of $250. So it's all about just creating a target and monitoring the trade squarely. All right, thank you. Do call again tomorrow for more updates. So as the coins are closing up on profit, I'm relaunching a new coin in order for me to meet up. So I'm monitoring the coins closely. As they close on profits, I relaunch a new one. So let's do that now. Since most of the coins are bullish, so I go to the coins that are bearish and then launch the coins, because definitely they will also pick. So we have, from the greed and fear index, we see that we have only 6 coins that are only 8 coins that are on short, while 355 coins are on long. So I'll click on the 6. So let's find those coins, see the percentage they have, and then see the one I'll select. So if you look here, only Fun has been on short here and is minus 9.92. Okay, so I'm going to launch this coin to be on long. It's one of my strategies I use. So this coin will now go and replace the coins which has already closed on profit. So it's a recurrent thing. So while on manual configuration, I scroll down to DCA robot. That's the DCA features that I'm going to use on this. You click on start. Okay, so fund allocation, the direction I'm selecting it to go long. Then you turn on the smart covering. The nominal leverage, you select the maximum. The maximum here is 50. Mass order, we leave it at 1, reduce it to 1. Then take profits is on 2.44, so let's leave it at 3. No, let me even leave it at 4. So take profit, leave it at 4% increase. Okay, so initial position 288. So let's do a calculation. 288 multiplied by 50 divided by 5.9. 288 multiplied by 50 divided by 5.9. That is 2400.7. So you come back to initial position and put 2440. 2440. Okay, then you launch. So let's launch this.